Welcome back, everybody. So glad you could be with me here today. Walter, behind the camera, due to microphone malfunction. So, wanted to talk briefly about lubrication for your plain soles and rust prevention. So these items here are what I have used and will continue to use one or the other from time to time. There's always your candle wax, your rag in a can that you saturate with some sort of oil. Early on, I used 3-in-1 oil, and I have used mineral oil because they're the least problematic and the least expensive. I like the Ballistol because it's a blend of natural ingredients. A little more expensive, but it is a great product. I mean, they use it in munitions to lubricate different parts of guns, etc. And then there's the jojoba oil, which I was running low on. So I had to make a decision: buy more jojoba oil or spend 25 to 50% more and get the Camellia oil. So what did I do? I got the Camellia oil. So as I run out of the jojoba, I will be switching to the Camellia for most of my blade and plain blade rust prevention. But if you're on a tight budget and you can't afford that, the two things that you could afford are a small can of 3-in-1 oil and pharmacy grade mineral oil. The mineral oil will do everything you need it to do as far as lubricating the bottom of plain soles and keeping a little bit of the rust off your tools. Just wipe it down a little bit and wipe it off. And the 3-in-1 oil, you can use that for everything from just, any moving part on your tools to also on your plain soles. But you may want to look into jojoba oil, Camellia oil, and Ballistol. So that's about all for this one. We struck oil. Glad you were with me here today. Means a lot to me. Head out to your workshop. Check and see what kind of oils you got. I've got others, but these are the ones that I will have where they can make contact with the wood. Like, subscribe, and share. Head out to your workshop. Walter out.